God works in mysterious ways, but tell me the truth, do we know how he plays? Woo, God, it's cold. Look at all this snow, y'all. Look at all this snow. It's right here at the door. Oh, God, it's so cold. Oh, my goodness. All right, video short. Okay, light finally came on. Woo, it's cold, y'all. Yes, this is the backyard. Yes, you see that, y'all. I'm cold. It is cold. It's not cold. Now, this is what you call some snow, y'all. Look at this. Wow, it's like a winter wonderland, ain't it, boo-boo? Wow. Wow, you see that? That's what you call some snow, y'all. We're gonna go out there later, okay? Because it's cold. I can feel it through this door. Yes. Ooh, be careful. Make sure you get these steps. This is way deeper than last year. Wow. Oh, I feel that breeze, Jesus. Oh Lord, where is the steps? Oh, this is deep. He like I can't move. What's wrong? It's too tight. Just pick your legs up. Do like this. Just move pick your legs up. Yeah, this is deep. This is way deeper than last year for sure. Hey, we're gonna make a snow angel, y'all. Let's lay back and make a snow angel. Mountain, yeah. Okay. My boots is covered up. Come here. You want to make a snow angel? Yeah, we could definitely make a snowman. It is soft, though. Ooh, that wind blowing. Oh, that wind is blowing. You couldn't stay that long. Yeah. You know, miss that big old thing fell off. What? Snow fell off the shed. I can't get this glove off.
You alright? You okay? Stand up.
What hole in there?
Look at that wind blowing, y'all.
It is definitely cold out here, and the wind is blowing, and the snow is deep. This is the deepest I believe we've seen in a long time. It was not this deep last year. Woo! So it's deep. I ain't gonna be out here long. I ain't gonna be out here long.
Y'all hand cold?
I am. Ooh, that wind is blowing, boy. Yeah, I had to come in. That wind was cutting. And it was blowing across my face. Good Lord, good Lord. And that snow was deep. So I couldn't stay out there longer than 5 minutes. That's too cute. Look what new. Look what he made for the kids. That is too cute. Alright, y'all. You see it. We out here. I feel like this truck struggling to get through. know if that truck crashed into the ditch or what. I missed the snowplow, but it came through here and it just made more of a mess, y'all. Didn't do nothing. So we brought Nylah into the ER because as soon as we came in from playing in the snow, she bumped her head on the fish tank. So now she has there she go, pushing on it. It was actually really, really big, and it went down because we had a long drive from my house to get here. And of course, you know, in the snow, it made it worse. Let's see, Mama. Yeah, right there. You gotta move your hand. Yeah, it went down a lot, but it was huge. There we go. You feeling okay? Well, I'm assuming McDonald's is the only place open today because this line is long and nobody else is open. Burger King, Wendy's, Captain D's, nobody's open. Just McDonald's. Yeah.
Hi. Look at you.
She wanted to come on in Walmart and she wanted to carry that. Nobody made her carry it. She wanted to carry it. We just coming for some mac and cheese and some hydrocortisone. Here we go. We're looking for this one, Mama. I'm gonna get 2 of these, okay? Put them in your car. Can you carry it? There you go. If it get too heavy, let me know, okay? I'm gonna put another one, okay? There you go. All right, let's turn around. Yeah. She is determined to carry it. She said, Mommy, it's too heavy. I took it for 5 minutes. She said, give it back. It's mine. It's mine. You okay, Mama? You about to run into the chef, sugar? Look at this little girl trying to put that diaper on that baby. She's too cute.
Hey, where did Jessica find her total?
Go ahead, put the diaper on your baby. Go ahead.
Oh, mysterious way.